The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. In a world that moves too fast, the Mindy clock invites you to slow down. This handcrafted timepiece isn't just a clock, it's a reminder to be present. Built around a wabi-sabi aesthetic, it honors simplicity, imperfection, and the quiet strength of natural materials. Whether on your desk, shelf, or bedside table, the Mindy clock blends into your space while gently guiding you towards stillness. The soft, non-ticking movement promotes calm, making it easier to build mindful rituals. Choco Dream transforms the way you approach chocolate creations. With the innovative 3D chocolate printing pen, anyone can bring their sweet visions to life in minutes. This game-changing tool allows you to craft stunning, edible designs with ease, whether you're a professional or simply someone who loves chocolate and creative expression. Using the pen, you can create detailed sculptures, custom treats, and personalized chocolates, all from the comfort of your kitchen. The process is simple. Plug in the pen, load your favorite chocolate, and begin sculpting intricate designs that look as good as they taste. The Chill Pad is a game-changing solution for those looking to stay dry and comfortable. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing, this cooling pad brings effortless relief. With its smart dual cooling technology, the Chill Pad features 2 independent cooling systems that adapt to your needs, ensuring optimal temperature control. The 3-speed fan control allows you to adjust the airflow to your preference, from a light breeze to a powerful chill. The amzn.to Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Kokushu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. In a world increasingly reliant on private, high-capacity data storage, one machine rises to meet the demand for speed, security, and full control. Designed for power users, creative professionals, and tech-savvy households, this fully customizable home cloud storage unit brings enterprise-grade performance right into your workspace. Equipped with a Linux operating system and powered by either Intel or AMD CPUs, it's built for versatility and heavy lifting. Step onto precision with LeFou, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. Feel the freedom of movement and immerse yourself in pure sound with Huawei FreeArc, meticulously shaped for a secure and airy fit. Crafted with a soft S-curve ear hook, it offers open ear comfort without sacrificing stability, keeping you cool even through intense workouts thanks to its sweat-absorbent design. The optimal 140-degree triangular support ensures they stay firmly anchored, while the lightweight S-curve reduces tragus pressure for a stable, ergonomic fit. The Nikoko 9-in-1 flashlight is the ultimate multi-tool for those who demand versatility and reliability. With a powerful 2,000-lumen tactical flashlight, this compact device illuminates even the darkest environments, ensuring you stay prepared for any situation. The built-in green laser can reach an impressive 2,000 meters, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or signaling in emergency situations. The Lithelli Frozen Pack offers an innovative solution for keeping food fresh on the go, blending convenience, power, and portability. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this 12-volt car refrigerator rapidly cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Its efficient compressor paired with triple-layer insulation ensures that your items stay cold for up to 4 hours without power. When peak thermal efficiency meets visual sophistication, you get a cooling system that doesn't compromise. The Thick Q60 elevates the AIO standard with a 240mm liquid cooling platform crafted for builders who demand performance and aesthetics. Its 5-inch, ultra-slim HD display delivers real-time stats and customizable visual content, surrounded by 42-pixel QRGB LEDs that add precise, programmable lighting to match any build theme. When reliable internet is non-negotiable, the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro rises to the occasion. Built for those who demand high-speed connectivity at home, in the office, or on the move, this mobile hotspot delivers next-gen performance powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X60 5G modem RF system. With blazing 5G millimeter wave speeds reaching up to 8 gigabits per second and Wi-Fi 6E technology, it ensures seamless, low-latency connections for up to 32 devices at once. Elevate your practice sessions with the Full Swing Kit Launch Monitor, designed with machine learning-enhanced radar to deliver supreme accuracy at a fraction of the size and cost of traditional systems. Featuring the most innovative patented radar technology, this compact powerhouse captures 16 critical points of club and ball data. Its compact design fits easily into your golf bag, protected by a durable case, so you're ready wherever your game takes you. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the tough-built StackTech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The StackTech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. The iCoxer fidget spinner offers an innovative approach to decision-making, blending fun with functionality. Designed to engage users in both casual play and important choices, this spinner stands out as a tool that brings clarity to your day. With its sleek, durable build, it is made for lasting performance, making it an ideal companion for any situation. The spinner's smooth motion provides a satisfying tactile experience, helping you to unwind or focus when needed. In the quiet hours of the night or the bustle of your day, the EBO X stands watch with unwavering precision. This compact AI-driven homebot enhanced by GPT-40 Mini isn't just smart, it's deeply intuitive. Guided by V-SLAM navigation, it maneuvers seamlessly through your space, learning room layouts and adjusting its patrols in real time. Its 4K stabilized moving camera, enhanced with night vision, captures crystal clear footage whether it's noon or midnight, offering complete visibility when you need it most. When outdoor heat becomes relentless, a high-performance solution like this instant cooling vest is essential. Engineered with 2 high-speed fans, it delivers immediate airflow across your core, pushing hot air out and drawing cool relief in within seconds. Built for versatility, the vest features 3 precise cooling levels, letting you control your comfort whether you're working in the yard, hiking trails, or enduring a summer commute. Equipped with a robust 10,000 mAh power bank, it runs for hours without interruption. The Jector Pro Zero Latency MMW 4K wireless transmitter pack stands at the forefront of cutting-edge wireless transmission technology. Designed with professional content creators in mind, it offers seamless connectivity with zero latency, ensuring real-time video transmission with pristine clarity. Supporting both 4K and 1080p resolutions, this device guarantees crystal-clear visuals for any filming or broadcasting setup. This portable pair excels in providing high-quality, lag-free transmission. Plantone 2.0 is a modern solution to effortless plant care, combining convenience with technology to keep your plants thriving. This innovative system requires minimal attention, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Simply plant your seeds, fill the water tank, and plug in the unit. Plantone will handle the rest, providing your plants with everything they need to grow healthily. What makes Plantone stand out is its use of regular soil, eliminating the need for expensive plant pods. The Lenovo ThinkBook Transparent Display laptop represents an innovative step in the world of computing, blending physical reality with digital interaction. Though still a concept, this device introduces a 17.3-inch transparent micro-LED display, which allows users to interact with both the virtual and physical world simultaneously. The transparent screen provides a unique ability to display content while offering a clear view of what's behind it. Key features of this groundbreaking laptop include its transparent display, which can overlay digital content over real-world objects. Precision and adaptability define the Thor TEC36 Lightning Boil Burner Cooktop. Built for culinary enthusiasts who demand both speed and finesse, this 36-inch electric cooktop offers advanced features that push everyday cooking into a more professional league. At its heart is the Lightning Boil Center Burner, engineered with 3 concentric rings that adapt to your needs. Gently melt chocolate using just the 6-inch ring or activate all rings to produce rapid heat for boiling water in under a minute. Carrying meals to work should be simple, smart, and space-saving, and that's exactly what the VLB Smart Vertical Lunchbox delivers. Designed for professionals and busy individuals, this lunchbox stands upright to maximize your bag space while keeping your meals organized. With a quick flip, it transforms from vertical to horizontal, offering flexible mealtime arrangements wherever you are. The VLB features removable food containers, giving you easy access to your lunch without any hassle. Under a clear night sky or in a dim conference room, this projector redefines portable cinema and presentation tech. With an impressive 1,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, the image stays vivid even as ambient light creeps in. Running Android TV, it gives you direct access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video, all without needing another device. A built-in battery offers up to 5 hours of playtime, long enough for a double feature or a full presentation with time to spare. Transform any space with bold, seamless illumination using the Neko Space Orchard magnetic modular lighting system. Built for customization, it includes over 8 magnetic modular units, giving you full creative control to shape your lighting environment. Whether you're enhancing a workspace or elevating home decor, each module attaches effortlessly to the 24-volt safe dual magnetic tracks. Enjoy unmatched versatility with 360-degree lighting flexibility, allowing you to direct light exactly where it's needed. From artisan crafts to professional-grade prototypes, the E13D Texture UV printer reshapes how creators bring ideas to life. Built with precision at its core, this all-in-one modular printer blends advanced UV printing technology with compact engineering, making it ideal for home studios, small businesses, and creative entrepreneurs. Measuring under 15 inches on each side, the E1 fits effortlessly onto desktops without sacrificing performance. Rethink your nightstand with a piece that merges form and function into a single sculptural element. The Octagon One Plus portable alarm clock. Light doesn't just save space, it redefines it. Carved from 100% sustainable natural wood, this elegant device stands at the intersection of minimalist design and everyday practicality. It's a portable desk lamp, a gentle wake-up light, and a precision timekeeper all in one compact unit measuring just over 3.5 inches thick. Revolutionize your workspace with Edge Pro, an innovative system designed to enhance productivity and flexibility. This ecosystem of modular components offers seamless integration, allowing you to tailor your workstation to fit your needs perfectly. Whether you're working from home or in a professional environment, Edge Pro's versatility gives you the freedom to design an efficient and personalized setup. The system features a cutting-edge structure that is compatible with MagSafe, making setup and adjustments easy and secure. Staying hydrated just became effortless with the Rebo Smart Bottle, a sleek solution built for those who demand performance and sustainability. Engineered with a stainless steel double-wall vacuum design, this bottle keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for 12 hours, making it a reliable companion on any journey. With a 20.3-ounce capacity, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and sufficient hydration. Drift into undisturbed sleep with the device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Boxblade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate.